Ginebra so far.
Seems like the mandate of the Meralco coaching staff is to attack the basket. Every time Hodge, every time Dillinger gets in, they are just attacking the defense of Barangay Ginebra.
This PLDT by DSL PBA Philippine Cup is presented by the reliable family-size connection of PLDT My DSL, the #1 home broadband. Happy New Year. Can you hear that? Can you hear the horn?
Oo, dun sa taas,
parang
dun sa bleacher section.
Bubusela ba yan? Akala ko babawal na yan.
Akala ko may pass sa loob ng MOA.
There's one bubusela. Lakas nung horn na yun, ha?
Isa lang siya.
Tsaka na all the way sa upper box. Tama, no? That's the one I saw, right?
Ang suit-up version ng bubuzela din.
Mag-isa lang siya eh.
Kung bagay mga ibang bubuzela, pang 5-star lang yung sa kanya, Super Lolo.
Super Lolo. Be a liver lover with Liverate Silimarin Capsule. It's liver lover, boy. Uy, by the way, yung mga magpapaputok, kung maaari, wag na lang. Kung meron kung talagang part na ng, let's say, family tradition, pag-iingat. Pag-iingat lang.
You don't want to be spending New Year's sa hospital.
Ay, at saka di ka na mapag-tweet. Ayun din.
Take all precautions.
That's right. Para safe and happy New Year. Okay, third personal foul here on Greg Slaughter. And that will send Anjo Karam. Ayan na naman yung TOROTOT. Anjo Karam to the line.
Alam ko bawal yan habang nag-free throw ang player. Huh?
Tama nakikita natin sa section 421. Ay nako, sisitay na ng kwartya. Ayan na yung kwartya.
Nakuha na.
Nahuli ka.
Nakumpis ka na.
Ayan na, inuhuli na ni security guard. Naku po. Teka, sabay yan? Sabay
siya yung kumuha.
Naku, tumakbo. Hinaharap ngayon ng gwardya. Okay, back to the game. 8 to shoot for Ginebra. Here's Mark Kagiwa. Kagiwa